In this video, we're going to learn how to use そうです with adjectives to say things like, it looks tasty. Let's say you walk by a cake shop and you want to say, it looks tasty. If you just say, おいしい, it sounds like you've already tried and know it's tasty. But in this case, you just want to say, it looks tasty. To say something looks adjective, we drop the final e of the i-adjective and add so, which means looks or seems, and we can add des at the end for formal speech. So it looks tasty is おいしそうです. Let's try another example. This movie looks interesting. First, we can say, this movie is interesting. この映画は面白い. And then, to say, this movie looks interesting, we drop the final i and add そうです. So it becomes, この映画は面白そうです. Now let's look at this example. It looks easy. The word for easy is 簡単, which is a na-adjective. When using そうです with na-adjectives, we simply add そうです. So it looks easy is 簡単そうです. How about this looks convenient? First we can say this is convenient. これは便利. 便利 is a na-adjective, so to say looks convenient, we simply add そうです. これは便利そうです. Now let's see how to use so with different forms of i-adjectives. For casual, to say it looks expensive, we drop the final i and add そう. 高そう. To say it doesn't look expensive, we take the negative form 高くない, replace the final i with さ and add そう. 高くなさそう. It looked expensive is 高そうだった. And it didn't look expensive is 高くなさそうだった. To make it formal, just add des for present tense or change だった to でした for past tense. There's just one exception. The word e, good, follows a different rule. We use its original form, 良い, and replace the final i with さ and add そう. So looks good is 良さそう. Doesn't look good, 良くなさそう. Looked good, 良さそうだった. Didn't look good, 良くなさそうだった. Next, let's see how to use so with na-adjectives. To say it looks convenient, we simply add そう. 便利そう. To say it doesn't look convenient, we take the negative form 便利じゃない. Replace the final i with さ and add そう. 便利じゃなさそう. Looked convenient. 便利そうだった. Didn't look convenient. 便利じゃなさそうだった. To make it formal, just add des for present tense or change だった to でした for past tense. Let's try this example. As for this hotel, the services look good. First, you can say, as for this hotel, the services are good. このホテルはサービスがいい. But since we're going to use the そうです form, we need to change i to its original form, yoi. And yoi is an exception, so we replace the final i with sa, and then addそうです. So the full sentence becomes このホテルはサービスが良さそうです. How about this cake doesn't look tasty? First you can say this cake is not tasty. このケーキは美味しくない. Now, since this is a negative form, we replace the final i with sa and then add そうです. So the full sentence becomes このケーキは美味しくなさそうです. Can you say Shiro looks sleepy? シロは眠そうです。シロは眠そうです。Can you say, this game doesn't look interesting? このゲームは面白くなさそうです。このゲームは面白くなさそうです。